Do you want to make some beautiful crushed potatoes with me? Let's go. So firstly guys, I just want to say a big thank you to 1,000 followers. It's a big milestone for me. For some it might not be a lot, but for me it's absolutely amazing. I really appreciate it. On to the next milestone, 10,000 followers. Let's go. Salt like the ocean. Now you want to bring them up to boil to their fork tender. A little bit of salt, olive oil, parsley, greaseproof paper, lay your potatoes out, space them out, just squish them down. Now just drizzle with a bit of olive oil, salt. Get them in the oven, 170 degrees for 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip them. Now you just want to get on your garlic herb oil, parmesan cheese, and get them back in the oven till golden brown. Now that is some serious crispy potato. Oh my god. I got to go in for seconds.